These are instructions on how to install the screen handle on your screen door or replacing it. Once the old handle is removed, the first thing you need to do is get the keeper or the strike that attaches to the strike on the frame. You install that first, and then you get the operational handle. Make sure that the tab is facing towards the exterior. And then you need to line up the two screws that are going to hold onto the tab that slide it up and down to lock and unlock. You see here, you need to push the tab in and you need to line up the handle so that those two screws line up. You insert the first screw, which is a machine screw, and get a little bit of the thread on it. And then you might need to level this one forward so you can get them to line up, like so. Alright, now that you have that attached to the slide, you need to put in the two screws that attach it to the frame, which will be threaded screws, not machine screws that will have a self-tapping end on it. The hole should be already there from the previous handle, and you need to secure those to the frame. Once you've done this, now you need to go to the outside of the screen and put the outside handle. The outside handle will fit right onto there, and there are two screws that are machine screws that will screw into the other handle. Make sure you use a hand screwdriver and not any metal and not an electric one, so you do not strip the housing. Now your other handle is attached, and there's two more screws. They will go on the exterior portion that will attach also to the frame. And this will complete the installation of your handle. As you can see here, it moves up and down. Please make sure that you do not over tighten these two screws, or this will make it very stiff to use.